Good morning, 10th class student. We were discussing chapter number 2, acid, base and salt. Till now, we have discussed all the chemical properties of acid and base. How acid and base react with metal, how they react with each other, how they react with metal oxide, non-metal oxide, and how acid react with metal carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate. All the topic we have discussed till now. In this video, we are going to discuss what is common in all the acid and what is common in all the bases, and what are strong acid, strong bases, weak bases. All these topics we are going to cover in this video.
So we are discussing the topic, do all acid and all base have in common? Acid और base में क्या common है? So firstly I am telling you about the common thing in acid. Acid will give the hydrogen gas when react with the metal. We have read this through the reaction. जब भी हम किसी भी metal को acid के साथ react करवाएंगे, it evolve the hydrogen gas. This shows that all acid contain hydrogen. So this is the first common thing, that all the acid contain the hydrogen. Example है acid के यहाँ hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. All these are the example of acid. And all these acid contain the hydrogen. Now second point is, when acid dissolve in water, जब भी हम acid को water में dissolve करेंगे, it dissociate hydrogen ion. The dissociation of hydrogen ion in aqueous solution is common in all the acid. This property is common in all the acid, therefore an acid show the acidic behavior. So in the presence of water, see here it is the aqueous solution of HCl. In the presence of water, it dissociate to give the H plus ion, H plus and chloride ion. Similar is the situation with the acetic acid. When it is dissolved in water, it dissociate to give the hydrogen ion, and this is acetate ion, acetate ion. So next is the topic, what is common in base? Bases में क्या common है? Bases dissociate to give OH minus ion in water, which is responsible for the basic behavior of a compound. For example, NaOH, sodium hydroxide को जब हम water में dissolve करेंगे, it gives sodium ion and hydroxide ion, OH minus ion. Similarly, with the case potassium hydroxide को जब हम dissolve करेंगे water में, it gives rise to the formation of potassium ion with the release of OH minus ion. OH minus ion are released in all the base. Thus the base show the basic character because of the dissociation of the hydroxide ion present in the base, OH minus ion. These are the hydroxide ion. Next is the topic, strong acid. Strong acid क्या होते हैं? An acid which is completely ionized in water and produces more H plus ion, that is called strong acid. उसे हम बोलेंगे strong acid. जैसे hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, nitric acid. They furnish the completely H plus ion. They dissociate into complete H plus ion. They completely ionize. That's why they are known as strong acid. Next one is the weak acid. Weak acid is an acid which is partially ionized in water and thus produces a small amount of hydrogen ion. Small amount में hydrogen ion ये produce करते हैं because they are partially ionized. That's why they are in the category of weak acid. और weak acid के example है acetic acid and carbonic acid. Acetic acid and carbonic acid are the weak acid. So weak acid partially ionized in the water, and strong acid completely ionized in the water. Again very important topic, what are base and alkali? Base के बारे में हम पढ़ चुके हैं. Base ऐसे substances होते हैं जो OH minus ion release कर रहे हैं, hydroxide ion. They dissociate to give the hydroxide ion whenever it is dissolved in water, and they are bitter in taste. They undergo neutralization reaction with the acid. Acid के साथ जब भी base react करेगा, that means neutralization reaction is going on. Most of them are insoluble in water. Most of the bases are insoluble in water. That was all about the base. Alkali क्या होते हैं? Alkali is an aqueous solution of a base. अगर इसी बेस में हम वाटर ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज द aqueous solution of the base is known as alkali. Clear the difference between the two? व्हाट आर बेसिस, व्हाट आर एल्केलाई? बेसिस आपको पता है ऐसे सब्सटेंसेस होते हैं जो हाइड्रोक्साइड आयन रिलीज करेंगे, डिसोसिएट करेंगे whenever water is added into them, and they are very bitter in taste, they do not conduct the electricity. And alkali, alkali क्या है? The aqueous solution of the base is known as alkali. It dissolve in water and dissociate to give OH minus ion. All alkali are bases. सभी alkali तो क्या होंगे? बेस होंगे. Why? Because alkali क्या है? alkali ऐसे सॉल्यूशन है जब बेस में हम वाटर ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज एल्केलाई. इसका मतलब सभी एल्केलाई बेस तो होंगे ही, बट नॉट ऑल बेसिस आर एल्केलाई. बट सभी बेसिस एल्केलाई नहीं हो सकते. मतलब कुछ बेस ऐसे भी होंगे जो वाटर में डिसॉल्व नहीं करेंगे, तो वो एल्केलाइज. दिस इज द मेन थिंग टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट बेसिस अंडरगो द न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. बेस एसिड के साथ रिएक्ट करके न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन की फॉर्मेशन करेंगे, एंड मोस्ट ऑफ देम आर इनसोल्यूबल इन वाटर. बट कुछ बेस ऐसे होते हैं जो सोल्यूबल होते हैं वाटर में, दैट इज कॉल्ड एल्केलाई. आई होप द कंसेप्ट इज क्लियर. फर्दर वी विल कंटिन्यू आवर टॉपिक इन नेक्स्ट वीडियो. थैंक यू.